Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can check challenges on Duolingo, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first you have to open the Duolingo app, and after that at the top of your screen you can see that mustache icon and 30 XP for me, and you can see the daily goal was to earn 20 XP to unlock the chest, and now for me it's completed. And there is the November challenge, Oscar's Mustache Marathon, and it says that you have to earn 63rd XP today to stay on track. So and the complete XP is 1000, and I have 15 days left, and I've completed already 30 XP, so I have a lot to do, but you have to do 63 XP per day. And if you want more information, you have to click on the view challenge, and you can see the total progress, monthly XP progress, and about the Oscar's mustache marathon. It's November, so everyone's growing a mustache like Oscar. You can tweet us. You can tweet your best Oscar mustache at Duolingo. And challenge details: earn an exclusive badge by finishing this month's challenge. Building a long-term habit helps you learn more effectively. So if you like challenges and you like Duolingo and you have time, I advise you to start the November challenge. I hope you will do it and learn a lot on Duolingo. See you in the next one. Bye bye.